Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22624.1610, which is released to the beta channel. As a reminder, insiders previously on build 22623 will automatically get moved to build 22624 via an enablement package. The enablement package artificially increments the build number for the update with new features getting rolled out and turned on to make it easier to differentiate from devices with the update with features off by default. Insiders who landed in the group with new features turned off by default build 22621 can check for updates and choose to install the update that will have features rolling out build 22624. Now, starting with this build, and talking about the changes and improvements in the build. For settings, Microsoft is introducing new presence sensor privacy settings and APIs. If you have a device with compatible presence sensors, you can now manage your privacy and block/allow certain apps from accessing these sensors. No images or metadata is collected by Microsoft and all processing is done locally on the device hardware to maximize privacy. You will find these settings under Settings, Privacy and Security, Presence Sensing here if your device supports it. Moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements in both build 22621.1610 and build 22624.1610. For the Settings app, insiders will begin to see a new toggle under Settings, Windows Update for getting the latest updates as soon as they are available. This new toggle is meant to be used in the beta channel to allow insiders to switch more seamlessly to the enablement package. Insiders in the beta channel who are on build 22621 and toggle this on will get updated to build 22624 via the enablement package. Insiders in the beta channel already on build 22624 and toggle this on will see a Windows configuration update offered via Windows Update that is designed to help Microsoft make sure this new toggle is connected to backend services correctly. This configuration update introduces nothing new for insiders. So, that was all about the changes and improvements. Now talking about the fixes in this build. In general, fixed an underlying issue that was causing a noticeable increase in Explorer.exe crashes in the last flight for some insiders. Fixes for both build 22621.1610 and build 22624.1610. This update addresses a compatibility issue. The issue occurs because of unsupported use of the registry. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.